Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have another behind the scenes video for you guys, but we're going to be using a different technique, something I've never done before, and we're going to be using some harsh light, which normally I'm not a big fan of, but I just wanted to do something different because I've been shooting indoors for so long and I've been getting very bored with it. I normally just prefer shooting outdoors, but because it's still winter here in Canada, I've been kind of forced to just stay indoors and doing studio photo shoots. I had this idea of incorporating some interesting shadows in my photo shoot, but I didn't really know exactly how to do it. So I did a little bit of research and I found this very cool blog post. I will link the original one in the description down below, but this photographer is using glass blocks to create some interesting shadow and bend the light when it goes through them. I thought that it was such a genius idea. It kind of creates the illusion of like almost underwater kind of look, so I knew that that's what I wanted to do. Now when I tried to buy some of these glass blocks online, I realized that they're actually pretty expensive. A pack of them goes for around $100 and there's only 5 of them in there, so I was like, okay, this is gonna be kind of expensive. But then I went on Kijiji, which is kind of like a Canadian Craigslist, and I was able to find someone who was just wanting to get rid of their glass blocks for free, and I was like, oh my god, this is absolutely perfect. I was meant to do this. So I went there, picked them up, and I pretty much got them for free, which is awesome. I understand that most people will not be able to find these blocks for free, so I also had an idea of how to easily make a similar effect for very cheap and make it yourself. I saw this kit of shadow kind of templates, I don't know how else to call them, on one of the photography websites, and it was selling for about $100, and I was like, are you kidding me? I can definitely make this myself. And so I did. I took just a piece of cardboard, I drew some squiggly lines on it, and then I cut out those squiggly shapes with an X-Acto knife, and I was able to create my own shadow template for free. Today's model is Rebecca. You might remember her from a recent behind the scenes video, and of course, as usual, her information is going to be listed in the description down below. As you guys might know, I recently started doing all of the makeup and hair for the models myself, so today I decided to go for a very natural smoky eye look and just a curly pinned up hair. For the outfit, we decided to go all lace, and I really love this off-white color of it. She's wearing a long dress with straps and a shirt that she's wearing off the shoulder. We also added this really chunky pearl necklace and some dried flowers to finish up the look. So here's my setup. For the light, I use my Aperture 120D with a lamp head that it comes with. I set the glass blocks on the table and I taped all around them so they don't easily fall on the ground. And for the backdrop, I used one of my Kate backdrops. I will link all of these products in the description down below so you guys can check them out if you would like to. Oh, that's why I wanted this. I always love the ladder because from this angle I can also shoot without worrying about the backdrop like ending in a weird spot. This light is very interesting. Yeah, that's beautiful.
Oh, that's really cool. Yeah, I love this look. Turn your face towards me just a little bit more. So what if turn your body towards me just slightly more. Yes. Actually, no, go back to how you were. So with your body there, but just your face. Yes, exactly. Oh, and chin up like that. So with this necklace, because it's so big, you kind of have to do a lot of like more chin up. Yeah, because otherwise, yes, exactly. That's perfect. Oh, that's gorgeous. Nice. Oh, I actually kind of like one hand in there. Yes. Oh, that's actually perfect. Yes. See what that looks like. Might be kind of stupid with the necklace and everything, but it might be kind of cool. I think I like it. I always like flowers. Yeah, that's really nice. I'm still not a huge fan of those shadows in the background, but I'm kind of like cropping out the shadow. So I'm trying to just not get too much of it in my shot, and that works for a tight shot. That's really nice. I think I do prefer the other lens. This one is just like a tiny bit too soft. Just gotta focus. I love all the shadows. Yes. That's perfect. That's super cool. That's really cool. Oh, that's beautiful. That's super pretty. I actually like how you just had it down. Yeah. Can you take a step this way? Yeah. Actually, no. Oh, stay where you are. There we go. There's like one spot where it's really bright, and I like when it's on your eyes. I think, yeah. What if you keep it with both hands? Yeah. What if maybe you go just more straight? Yeah, exactly. Ooh, that's gorgeous right there. After using like the adapter with this lens, this is my 85 1.2, and it's the first version, so it's very slow, and it has trouble trying to communicate with the Sony camera. So I've been kind of thinking to try, oh my goodness, where is this? Oh, there it is. Kind of wanted to try to use this lens manually. I'm gonna do it right now. And I've been using all of these lenses manually, so why not try this one manually as well? Let's see what it looks like at 1.2. Oh, so pretty. Wow. It's just so soft and painterly. Love it. And I love this backdrop too for this. They look really, really nice. Yes. On here. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, the only thing, so pull this, yeah, so it doesn't look stretched like that. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my god, okay, this really, really nice. I just need to focus. I feel like this Canon lens is much more effective manually on the Sony than it is. Oh, and now because we're lower, I can see some of this back. Here, so. We're like painterly, yeah. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I love it, I love it. Hold this hand just a little bit like higher so I can, yeah, so I can go a little bit closer in on you. What if you go like even more like from the side? Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Alright, so the next thing we're gonna try is this cardboard cutout that I made. It's a lot more dramatic. So we gotta bring it closer. Okay, higher. Okay, so this is obviously a lot easier to control, but it's a lot more dramatic. So kinda, let's try something dramatic first. I'm just gonna make sure that it's not on her eyes. The line. Is it too much? Let me know if it's blinding you, because we can always tone some stuff down. Oh, I like this. Yeah, oh, I really like that pose. That's really, really nice. Mm-hmm. Yes. What if again you kind of like try to do the shadows on your face with this? Maybe. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Actually, that's perfect right there. Stay like that. Stay like that. That's really, really cool. Okay, I want to try this a little bit more dramatic, like even more like this. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Whoa. That's pretty. Oh, yeah. Even more so in that side, yeah. Okay, this line is not good on the face there. I think this is better, like less dramatic, more so just kind of go even more. Yeah, I want to do some more really close-ups, yeah. Mm-hmm. Let's actually do some without the flowers. Mm-hmm. That's beautiful. that looks absolutely beautiful. That's really, really cool. Yeah, I think I like this backdrop more. And it fits colors. Oh, look down like that. But more like kind of like, yeah. Yes. Oh, that's super nice. Yeah, I like when you go like that because then it like picks up this light. Oh my god, right there. Oh, yes. I wish this was like slightly higher because it has this line in the middle. If you can just like do that, okay. One step this way. Yeah. Oh, there it is, but it's too bright for your eyes. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yes. Oh, that's really pretty. Just keep that shoulder down. Like it's, yeah. Because I want to see your neck. Yeah, oh, don't move.
This was my very first time trying out this technique, so I'm not 100% happy with how these images turned out. I think a few of them are pretty cool, but overall I can definitely do better next time. Now that I know how this effect works and how to utilize it perfectly, I think the next time I use it I'm gonna be much happier with the outcome. Alright, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like if you did like it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!